guys, welcome back to the Director Series. आज मेरे साथ है रस्तगी सर. ही इज द डायरेक्टर ऑफ एसआईबीएम नागपुर. बाय द वे सर, बहुत बच्चों ने डिमांड करी थी आपकी वीडियो के लिए. मुझे कमेंट आ रही थी इंस्टाग्राम पे, यूट्यूब पे, व्हाट्सएप की सर सर का एक बार वीडियो करा दो. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर गिविंग सम टाइम सर. बहुत सारी बातें करने वाले हैं. मैं सर को कुछ टफ क्वेश्चन भी पूछने वाला हूँ. प्लेसमेंट के बारे में बात होगी, जीडीपीआई के बारे में बात होगी, बहुत सारी बातें होने वाली है. सर मेरा सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन है कि हमें भी ये नहीं पता था कि 5 साल पुराना इंस्टीट्यूशन है एसआईबीएम नागपुर. सबको लग रहा था 15 साल हो गए, 20 साल हो गए. थोड़ी जर्नी बता दीजिएगा और ये थोड़ा मिसकंसेप्शन बता दीजिएगा.
SIBM Nagpur started in 2019. So there was a time when Vidarbha region was, coming up, and not only the promoters of Symbiosis, but government also wanted something to be started here.
हाँ.
So in that way, we started conceptualize maybe in the beginning of 2018, and then gradually within 1 year we started things here. And in August 2019, practically we started our first batch.
Okay.
And that first batch was with the intake of 180 students for MBA flagship program. In 2022, we started another program that is MBA in Food and Agribusiness and Management, MBA FABM.
Okay.
And right now we are having the 5th batch, which is about to go into the market. We are placing them.
Perfect. पर सर 5 साल में you guys have grown very well.
Thank you.
बिकॉज लोगों को लगता है कि यार 5 साल में तो अच्छा खासा कर ही रहे. बिकॉज अगर हम कंपैरिजन करेंगे बाकी इंस्टीट्यूशंस के साथ, so I think you guys have done a fair job.
Thank you.
Now I'll take this little ahead. So you got into the chair last year as a director, October 2023 मेरे ख्याल से. उसके बाद आपने बहुत सारे चेंजेस करे हैं. मैं कैंपस पे था, मैं बच्चों को मिला, बच्चों ने काफी ज्यादा तारीफ करी 2-3 चीजों के बारे में. मैं जानना चाहता हूँ आपने क्या ऐसे चेंजेस करे हैं सर?
The biggest and the most important change which I thought after coming here, first of all, I was coming from SIBM Pune.
हाँ.
So SIBM Pune in itself is a flagship brand, flagship institution of Symbiosis Group, especially in the management area.
Right.
So, and I was not stayed there for 1 year, 2 years. I stayed there for 6 odd years. So that was a great learning for me. So जब मैं यहाँ आया, I realized the gaps were there. So the most important thing which I realized was the student-driven culture. And I would like to share with you, Ketan, that student-driven culture is something which is very loosely used word nowadays. Everyone you will find that they are talking about it. But when we actually want to execute this, then it takes a lot of courage. You have to have a lot of courage in the term, in the sense that you have to give freedom to student to act the way they want. And side by side, you have to take all the responsibility with you. So regulation and freedom, both at the same time, and that too at the extreme levels. So it is not that easy to do. But I had my great learning from SIBM Pune. Under the leadership of Dr. Raman, I learned a lot there. And when I came again, I kept on, exchanging note after least the vice chancellor of the university. So that is the biggest thing which I did. So practically in every area, starting with Placecom, as you can see, the MAC team, this Media and Communication Committee, then couple of things for LMAT area, I mean in the alumni engagement area. There's a team corporate which goes to the extent of facilitating different competition, like different institutions, different B schools conduct different competitions. तो हमारे स्टूडेंट वहाँ जाते नहीं थे इतना. सो ऐसी बहुत सारी चीजें थी जो कि प्रैक्टिकली नहीं हो पा रही थी ड्यू टू वन रीजन और द अदर. तो मैंने आने के बाद उन्हें इंश्योर करा कि बिकॉज दीज थिंग्स वर हैपनिंग एट अ वेरी हाई लेवल एट SIBM Pune.
So basically SIBM Pune का मॉडल is what we are running in SIBM Nagpur. We can say that because I think बच्चों की एक एस्पायरेशन होती है कि SIBM का नाम लगा है, मतलब कहीं ना कहीं तो कुछ ना कुछ तो कंपैरिजन होगा, एंड कुछ ना कुछ चीजें हमें यहाँ पे भी मिलेगी जो SIBM के ब्रांड को मैच करेगी. सो आई थिंक आपने फिर वही करा, स्टूडेंट ड्रिवन कल्चर वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह.
अगर मेरा विजन आप पूछेंगे तो मेरा विजन बहुत सिंपल है. मैं चाहता हूँ कि whatever has happened at SIBM Pune in last 45 years should happen at SIBM Nagpur in 5 to 10 years. That's what my approach is.
That's nice.
So I'm
That's a
working
bold
with that
vision, sir.
speed. Yeah. I'm expediting everything. The kind of growth which took 45 years at SIBM Pune should happen within 5 to 10 years, and we are trying. Only 1 year has gone by. So
yes, I can see that. Sir, any other changes that you see कि अगले 3-4 साल में हम करने वाले हैं जो लगता है कि ब्रांड को और ज्यादा आगे लेके जाएंगे? मे बी स्टूडेंट क्वालिटी हो गया, कट ऑफ्स हो गए, या फिर एनी फैकल्टी हो गया, एक्रेडिशन हो गया, कोलैब्स हो गए, एनीथिंग ऑन दैट फ्रंट?
दो चीज़ों पे मेनली मेरा फोकस है. पहला तो ये है कि देखिए एक टूल होता है जिसे हम कहते हैं इन ऑल दी क्वालिटी एक्रेडिटेशन इंस्टीट्यूशंस व्हिच इंक्लूड्स NAAC, NBA, AACSB, ऑल दोस. तो इनका क्या होता है कि ये एक आउटकम बेस्ड एजुकेशन OBE पे कंसंट्रेट करते हैं. एंड इफ यू लुक एट आउटकम बेस्ड एजुकेशन देन द की इज असेसमेंट. आई विल एक्सप्लेन टू यू. हम एग्जाम देते हैं, दैट इज आल्सो असेसमेंट,
राइट.
लेकिन वो क्या होता है कि वो जो असेसमेंट आउटकम बेस्ड मींस दे यू हैव टू डिसाइड बिफोर हैंड कि क्या आप अचीव करना चाहते हैं, और उसके बेसिस पर फिर आप अपना असेसमेंट डिजाइन करते हैं. तो हमारा जो एग्जाम होता है वो कई दफे मिसप्लेस हो जाता है. तो हम उसे क्या कर रहे हैं कि जस्ट बिकॉज वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अक्रेडिटेशन, वी रिसेंटली गॉट अक्रेडिटेशन फ्रॉम NBA, तो हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि हमारा पूरा जो फोकस है आज की तारीख में वो असेसमेंट पे हो.
Okay.
I'll explain to you one or two more things in this in brief. क्या होता है, देखिए आज की तारीख में इन क्लासरूम टीचिंग लर्निंग इज वेरी लिमिटेड इन द सेंस, क्योंकि आज चैट GPT है, गूगल है, देयर इज नो लिमिट टू यूट्यूब फॉर लर्निंग. लेकिन हम वहां पर बहुत ज्यादा डिफरेंस क्रिएट नहीं कर सकते बियॉन्ड अ पॉइंट. हम बहुत अच्छा प्रोफेसर ले आएंगे, थोड़ा सा 20% 30% मार्जिन आ जाएगा. लेकिन आप अगर असेसमेंट पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट करते हैं तो टीचिंग लर्निंग को आप बहुत अच्छे से जज कर सकते हैं. स्टूडेंट एज वेल एज फैकल्टी बोथ गेट टू नो कि भाई बच्चे की लर्निंग कैसी है. तो आज की तारीख में वी आर वर्किंग वेरी हार्ड टू इम्प्रूव आवर असेसमेंट कॉम्पोनेंट. So that is one part. Second part, again, I'm saying that I'm transforming the PlaceCom here, the body which takes care of the placement here. So the kind of matching is required of the skill sets of the student and the requirement of industry. वो एक mismatch रहा.
Okay.
तो हमने काफी मेहनत करी इस बात को देखने में कि ऐसी कौन से एरिया में हमारे बच्चे अच्छे से प्लेस हो सकते हैं. We identified consulting as an area where our students can get placed better.
Okay.
कुछ हिस्ट्री भी ऐसी रही यहाँ पर कि around 30% placement is in the consulting area. So these are the two major things on the assessment front and focusing more on the bringing the match between skills and the requirement of industry.
So you made a mention about PlaceCom. I want to ask you a tough question. I would love to know your placement this year because placement के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा बच्चे interested है to know कि SIBM नागपुर में placement क्या हो रही है, आने वाले दिनों में प्लेसमेंट्स कैसी होगी, फिर हम डिसाइड करेंगे कि शुड वी ऑप्ट फॉर SIBM नागपुर और नॉट. सो आई रियली वांटेड टू टेल अस, अगर आपकी इंटरिम रिपोर्ट अभी आउट हो चुकी है, सो इफ यू कैन गिव मी सम नंबर्स, सम कंपनी नेम्स.
हमारे एवरेज आज की तारीख में बोथ द मीडियन एज वेल एज एवरेज इज इन द रेंज ऑफ 11 point something LPA.
ओके.
And हमारा highest अभी is it's only 13 LPA, but we are still counting because we have still 3 more months, and we usually finish our considerable amount of placement by the end of March every year. So still we are counting, and we are expecting very high that we'll be able to increase this maximum LPA from 13 to any number which is much better than this.
So you talked about consulting, that a lot of students are gunning for consulting, or maybe you said that things here are really good for consulting, but you come from finance background, right? At somewhere I have seen that SIBM Nagpur has known very well for a finance thing. So are you shifting from finance to consulting, sir?
It is like trying to look at the industry where our students are getting absorbed.
Okay.
अगर वो हम देखते हैं तो conventional consulting like this Grant Thornton, KPMG, these are there. And then we are finding IT consulting is also coming up. So when our students are getting placed in consulting area, there's no point in focusing on something where we are not getting the right fit. So just by looking at the previous data, I'm becoming optimistic. Let's try this because so far we have shown good result in this. Like हमारे बच्चे consulting में अच्छे absorb हो रहे हैं and they are doing good. Companies are coming back to us again and again. So from that perspective, I'm believing that it's good to concentrate on consulting, building the capability for consulting area.
Perfect. So here is a follow-up question because मैंने देखी कि student quality काफी अच्छी है, सुन भी रहे हैं आप सब खड़े होके. So no doubt, students are really good. Com skills are great. Their analytical skills are great, and they're hustlers, by the way. So I also interviewed a student here, Abhinav, मेरे ख्याल से. He bagged a package of 1.2 lakhs per month in Flipkart. That's a good number for summer internship. So मैंने ये देखा कैंपस में कि क्वालिटी ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स काफी बढ़िया है. तो सर व्हाट इज योर सिलेक्शन क्राइटेरिया GDPI का? मैं डायरेक्टली पूछ रहा हूँ सर को सो दैट आप लोग प्रिपेयर हो जाओ. क्या एट्रीब्यूट्स देखते हो सर आप स्टूडेंट में कि हमें ये टाइप के बच्चे चाहिए?
देखिए, इफ यू लुक एट दी स्नैप एंट्रेंस टेस्ट, अपने आप में दैट्स अ ग्रेट थिंग. वर्ल्ड क्लास एंट्रेंस टेस्ट फॉर shortlisting the student for B school. So that part is already taken care of when we get a list of student for GPI. जब हमारे ग्रुप डिस्कशन और पर्सनल इंटरव्यू के लिए बच्चा हमारे पास आता है लिस्ट में स्नैप क्लियर करके, फिर जब हम उसे GPI में करते हैं तो फिर एक G ग्रुप एक्सरसाइज हो चुकी होती है. जहाँ पर हम उसे देख चुके होते हैं कि कमिंग टू द पीआई पार्ट, तो ग्रुप एक्सरसाइज में हम देख चुके होते हैं whether he has got टीम स्पिरिट और नॉट, how he handles the opposition, so on and so forth. So when it comes to PI, मेरा एक ऑब्जर्वेशन रहा है जब मैं इंटरव्यू लेता हूँ, तो what I try to judge कि whether the person is ready to learn or not. देखिए क्या है, आज की तारीख में एक बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम ये होती है, the student community also think that they know everything. They are not ready to learn. तो एक तो their willingness to learn and second thing their willingness to work hard. Because मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि if you are more intelligent then you may spend less time. And when suppose you are less intelligent, I mean, if we assume that, then by working hard, probably you will be able to compensate for that.
True that.
So two attributes: willingness to learn and willingness to work hard. These two things I look for students in SIBM.
And sir, any changes in the interview process या फिर अपना सेम रहेगा, GPI ही रहेगा या फिर कुछ changes ला रहे हो आप लोग?
This year we are not doing it.
अच्छा, तो same रहेगा.
हाँ, same. Whatever we did last year, we are going to have the same thing.
One question I want to ask, I mean, this is out of blue, by the way. Would you be comfortable in sharing the cutoff or range for students' benefit?
I'll tell you the final admission in Symbiosis Group institution क्या होता है कि there is a score, composite score is calculated.
Right.
And in composite score, SNAP contribution is only 50%.
Exactly.
50% contribution or the weightage comes from GNPI.
हाँ, that's
so इसलिए it is at times it is possible that high SNAP score may not get selected even, and low SNAP score may get selected because weightage of SNAP is only 50%.
True that.
So keeping that in mind, I won't hide you. Between 60 to 70, I would say the SNAP cutoff is there.
Nice. देखो अब मैंने सर कट ऑफ भी बुलवा लिया आप लोगों के लिए. अब सर एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन है मेरा जो बच्चे बहुत ज्यादा पूछते हैं. यू बीन काइंड इनफ कि अभी तक आपने बहुत सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन बता दी, कट ऑफ भी आपने बता दिया, थैंक्स फॉर दैट. बट देयर इज वन क्वेश्चन एंड दिस इज फ्रॉम स्टूडेंट्स कम्युनिटी दैट दे से दैट ओके आई एम पेइंग 24 lakhs per annum, sorry 24 lakhs for 2 years, राइट? इतनी मेरी फीस है, तो आरओआई को लेके थोड़ा सा कंसर्न है. व्हाट्स योर थॉट प्रोसेस ऑन द आरओआई फ्रंट? ये होगा पहला क्वेश्चन. And my follow-up question would be, if at all somebody is interested in SIBM Nagpur, so how are the types with the banks and all that? If you can just give us a little idea about ROI, that will be great.
I'll answer the second part of the question first.
Okay, please.
We have, by the time anyone gets the admission letter from Symbiosis Group, and that too, including SIBM, including SIBM Nagpur, there is no problem of getting the finance.
Okay.
So there is no need for, a specific tie-up for the Nagpur. There is, at the corporate level, good number of, and just because you have admission letter from Symbiosis, there is no problem of finance. That is the answer to your second part.
So red carpet, मतलब सीधा मिल जाएगा loan, there's no doubt about it.
There's no.
अच्छा, perfect.
Whatever they look for, sometime collateral, without collateral. But, that I have never heard a single person who had come to me and saying that he is unable to get the finance.
That's a good thing. That's a good thing.
So when it comes to the first, I'll tell that we are only 5 years old institute. I'm coming to the ROI.
Right.
And what I visualize everything, look at what we are providing to the student. I have very strong conviction that if you can deliver value, you can sell anything at a premium. So if you look at what we are offering, so I know very well, we have, let's say, take the example of Nagpur, we have got different institutions, including IMT, Nagpur and all. But when we look at what we are offering, then I believe that the overall experience, what we are providing to the student here in SIBM Nagpur, that cannot be matched. They are very seasoned for that. I mean, when a student come here, from the day zero, starting from the induction program, till the time they are placed and leave the institution, the complete 2 year is full of experiences. As I said in the very beginning, student-driven culture is a very loosely used word, but we follow this in a true sense. It's my conviction. It's wrong to say what others are doing. But my conviction is the kind of student-driven culture we are building up here, that's something extraordinarily different. I mean, obviously, a lot of things come from the SIBM Pune, but having said that, I would say the customization of student-driven culture, what we are introducing at SIBM Nagpur, that is class apart. So what I say, right now we are only 5 years old institute, but as you spend 1 or 2 years or 2 years here while doing your MBA, and the way I am visualizing, as I said that I am trying to, do whatever SIBM Pune did in 45 years, I am trying to do it in as early as possible. So I am visualizing, suppose somebody joins our institute in 2027, 2025, passed out in 2027, I am expecting this question of ROI by that time. I'm forecasting, I'm extrapolating things in the future. I think this question will be irrelevant by that time. This is what my conviction is.
Okay.
I don't know what I will be, saying after 2 years.
That's what, sir, ho jaye.
This is what the kind of, the approach we have adopted, and I'm relying a lot upon the student-driven thing which we are, having it here, especially the Placecom, the transformation which we have incorporated in our Placecom. So I'm quite optimistic, and I have my conviction that surely this question per se will become irrelevant by the time this 27 batch goes in the market.
Perfect. Last question for the day, sir. So there are two types of students. One is ROI driven. Okay. But I've seen a lot of kids inside SIBM Nagpur, they are not ROI driven. Right? They have a different thought process altogether. So let's say if somebody wants to join SIBM Nagpur under your leadership, right? So if they are not worried about ROI as such, how they can be different, or what sort of value they can earn in the next 2 years, how they're going to be different. So if you can tell me कि in a bullet point कि बच्चा ये यहाँ पे उसको अचीव हो सकता है.
We have our 5 USPs, if I tell you. Student driven is obviously one of them.
Yes.
And then we have got employment focus. We lay a lot of emphasis on making them employable. That's a very bold statement.
Employability quotient will increase. Perfect. Okay.
And then we have got technology blended teaching learning.
Okay.
And then we build capability for consulting area.
Okay.
And then we are also trying to bring analytical mindset among the students. That will again help in having the consulting career better. So a little bit more analytical skills we are incorporating among the students. So these 5 are our USPs. So I believe that these 5 USP will surely differentiate our student from the other people.
Okay.
In addition to that, if you look at the whole culture ecosystem at SIBM Nagpur right now, you will find that we what we say that let's do something big.
Right.
It's like startup. There's a difference between one conventional big company and a startup.
Startup. Yeah.
So I would say that we are having a startup culture here. So startup provide a different kind of platform for learning.
True that.
That probably may not be available in a well-established B school. So that kind of culture is here, and for every stakeholder there are something to get out of it. So I'll say when a student come here and they become part of SIBM Nagpur, so there are many things which they can create, because we are building new things. Building blocks are getting ready for different in different areas.
Right.
So that way, मुझे लगता है कि that's a very good platform for the student to be here, and they will definitely be having a lot of different things in terms of their own personality building, their own understanding, their value system also. I believe will be different.
Perfect. All right, sir. That's it from my side. And guys, do hit that like button for this video. And sir, I'm really honored. And thank you so very much for giving some time. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching this video.